May I come in, sir?
Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Abhipsa,
Yes, sir.
Soil and Water Conservation Engineering. Most often we come to know that people migrate from Odisha. So, if the place where you are posted, you observe that, what steps will you take as a soil conservation officer?
So, first of all, I will arrange a meeting about I will try to know what are the reasons why they are migrating. Maybe it's because of the job in search of job, or the place where there is basic necessities are not available. So I will try to arrange those for them, and basic amenities at least they are provided, so that they will stay there. And job opportunities in terms of agriculture.
You can advise them, provide them basic amenities.
Sir, I will try to arrange.
No, soil conservation officer has its own limitations. You are only to execute the government programs.
So basic amenities means food security at least.
What is food security?
Through agriculture.
What is food security?
Sir, they are provided meal.
No, food security is different and PDS is different. Free ration daba alga jinsa. Food security कौन?
So food security माने गोटे लोको दिन को at least 2 times meal. And
have you heard about the SIR being going on in Bihar at present?
Yes, sir.
कौन?
Sir, सेटा electoral voter list
As a
को.
full form type of?
Sir, it stands for systemic investigation revision. Sir, full form मते मने नहीं.
So कौन सा तरह होती है? They are up to.
Sir, election voter list update करा होची.
Update करा है.
ने revise करा होची जो लोक मानकर.
Then.
ensure.
Then.
Sir, सेतिकी जानची.
So there is a banking system all across the state.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And number of financial institutions. Do they play any role?
Sir, in
As far as the soil conservation officer is concerned, what do you think?
Sir, NABARD is involved in agriculture sector to provide assistance for fund assistance.
What is the difference between self-help group and a WIG, Women Interest Group?
Sir, self-help group is a group of women from same category. They are
WIG?
Sir, WIG, I don't have any idea.
That is my point. Self-help group is all right.
I guess.
They cure.
I guess.
Right?
I guess.
So how can you make the household living standard being enhanced through a lady or a woman, housewife?
Okay.
Can
Sir, मने तांकु agriculture रे मने तांकु agriculture रे involve करिया को try करिवु. SHG groups रे से मने include हेले से मने तांका skill development
you are a soil conservation officer.
I guess.
Speak from that angle.
Sir, agriculture.
What is cottage industry?
Sir, cottage industry. Sir, sorry, sir.
Sorry, ma'am. Kutira Shilpa.
Abhipsa, I think you are agriculture engineering graduate and now you are pursuing your PG. But you have not written anything regarding in your optional subject. It is lying blank. So you should be very careful regarding this.
Yes.
So what is your experience during your Vietnam tour? Just tell if you like. What is
Sir,
your takeaways from Vietnam?
Sir, the training we were provided in the Vietnam, in the international
What is
program.
the takeaway?
Sir, tankara agriculture is different. They adopt few different measures apart from farming. They include it is a rice intensive. They promote rice intensive farming. So waterlogged areas रे ସେମାନେ pisciculture भी ମାନେ adopt କରନ୍ତି जोठी farming करନ୍ତି rice सेठी ସେମାନେ pisciculture भी करନ୍ତି.
Pisciculture, tilapia, tilapia, exotic करती ना indigenous?
सर इंडिजिनस करନ୍ତି ମାନେ fishes जो ସେମାନେ shrimps ଆଉ catfish.
Have you heard anything regarding Satoyama initiative? A Japanese term, just like it was earlier practiced in India, but now we are going to Japan to learn from them, Satoyama initiative. So anyway, what will be your role as a soil conservation officer, taking your background as a agricultural engineer? How it will help the department?
Sir, coming from the Department of Soil and Water Conservation Engineering, I will try to put my skills and knowledge to empower the farmers and to communicate with them and understand their problems.
How can you improve the mechanism, farm mechanism? How can you improve?
Sir,
Now people are lazy; they are not doing anything.
Yes.
So how can you motivate and how can it be done?
Sir, if they are practicing traditional farming methods, then I can suggest them to take some soil conservation measures so that water and soil is conserved in their field, so that they do not face any scarcity for irrigation, and proper irrigation they can do so that productivity is increased.
What is SRI method of paddy cultivation?
Sir, SRI stands for System of Rice Intensification, where the paddy saplings are transplanted in the field.
That is only SRI. Whether it will enhance the yield or not?
Sir, it will enhance.
What about water requirement?
Sir, it needs more water.
More water or less water?
More water.
And ultimately aim is to use less water and less seed also.
Yes.
So who is Jubin Garg? Since you are a dancer, singer like that.
Yes.
Have you heard the name of Jubin Garg? A singer recently died, only 2 to 3 days. You are drowned in Singapore.
Yes.
So who is that? From which state he belong?
Sir, state I don't know. He is a singer and he recently died in an tragic incident in scuba diving.
Is Odisha a traditional dancing style?
Odissi. Yes, it is included as a classical dance.
You tell just 1 or 2 names of international Odissi dancers
Sir,
of Odia origin.
Sir, as far as I know, Guru Keducharan Mahapatra and Guru Sanjukta Panigrahi, Guru Sujata Mahapatra and Guru Aruna Mahanti, Guru Kumkum Mahanti.
Okay.
कोथि पचरी को सब्जेक्ट पचरी
Sir, Soil and Water Conservation Engineering.
रन ऑफ फार्मूला को
Sir, run of formula, rational formula जोटा sir. Sir, it is used to determine the peak discharge जोटा होची Q equal to CIA by 360 or 36 depending on.
टेल मी द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ रेनफॉल केते ओडिशा पे इंटेंसिटी ऑफ रेनफॉल केते न
Sir, average होची 1450 mm.
कैचमेंट एरिया को हमें ट्रीटमेंट काहे के करू वाटर से
सर कैचमेंट एरिया रे ही माने पानी जहाँ भी रेनफॉल होची पानी सेठी ही स्टोर होची और सेठू ही रन ऑफ होची तो हमर मेन सॉइल कंजर्वेशन रो मेन एम होची टू रिड्यूस द रन ऑफ आउ give enough time for infiltration so that water is use माने percolate ହେଇକି ground water रे भी recharge ହେଇ परिबो plus माने soil moisture भी enhance ହେଇ परिबो irrigation
स्कावरिंग स्लुइस ର रिक्वायरमेंट काहे
सर स्काउरिंग स्लूस होची डैम रो डाउनस्ट्रीम लोअर एंड रे रखा हुए ताकि सेटा सिल्टिंग रे हेल्प माने सिल्टिंग न हो बोल के हेल्प करे
गोटे गली की कंट्रोल करिया पे की स्ट्रक्चर सॉइल डिपार्टमेंट रे करिया
सर गली कंट्रोल मेजर्स रे दीटा माने बेसिक दीटा मेजर्स थाए फर्स्ट होची परमानेंट मेजर्स आ गोटे होची टेम्पररी मेजर्स temporary measures re we use local products like stones and woods ଆଉ ସେଟା include करे brushwood check dam କି loose boulder check dam ଆଉ permanent रे सर check dam ଆଉ jute spillway use करू
तमर गोटे वाटर सेट एक्टिविटी रे गोटे सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप तम पाख आसिला एवं कहला मैडम आमे गोटे एक्टिविटी सिलेक्ट करिया को चाहूछु आम एरिया भितर दैट इज टू रिलेटेड टू एग्रीकल्चर तमे कौन सजेस्ट करिवो
सर agriculture sir they can contribute in माने जो soil conservation structure गुड़ा ताको
एग्रीकल्चर रे एक्टिविटीज कहली सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप रो
सर
एग्रीकल्चर रे एक्टिविटीज माने तम सब माइंड रे भर्ती करिवो एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोड्यूस कौन से करिबा कौन से करिवे धान करिवे कि बिरी करिवे कि मुग करिवे कि कैश क्रॉप करिवे कि मशरूम करिवे कौन करिवे तम कौन करिवे केमति कहिबा हाउ यू विल डिसाइड
सर से माने केते माने एग्रीकल्चर रिलेटेड तांकर नॉलेज देखि कि ताको
ऑल द बेस्ट स्किल नॉट नॉलेज आई विल गो प्रिफर देयर स्किल से मेंढा रखन जदी मेंढा रखैबे जदी
अगर एग्जिस्टिंग जहा ट्रेडिशनल स्किल अछि ताको एनहांस करबी हां ओके
ऑल द
बेस्ट
सर आ कोन इम्प्रूवमेंट्स
माने किछ नै ओटी के सब्जेक्ट को ओटी देखिबो आ डिपार्टमेंट रो जो सोइल कंजर्वेशन डिपार्टमेंट रो प्रोफाइल टा ठीक पढिबो
सार कोई परलो
हां
तो
सर
लेटेस्ट
पढी थिली मते फुल फॉर्म टा
देखिलो
मने
लेटेस्ट
रहिला
अपडेट्स
सर